In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fathom AI Notetaker. To get started, head over to the Fathom AI website and create your account. You can sign up with a Google account, a Microsoft account, or an email address, depending on what works best for you. If you're new to the platform, Fathom may ask you to connect your calendar and make sure you have an upcoming meeting scheduled. That's because the tool is designed to work around your meeting workflow and automatically detect calls when they're about to begin. Once your account is created, the next thing you'll want to do is connect your calendar. You can link either Google Calendar or Outlook. This step is important because it allows Fathom to recognize your upcoming meetings automatically, which means you won't need to set everything up manually each time. It helps streamline the process and makes the experience much smoother. After that, download and install the Fathom desktop app. While Fathom offers different ways to work, the desktop app is recommended for the best overall experience, especially if you join meetings across multiple platforms. Installation is straightforward, and having the desktop app in place helps ensure consistent note capture and recording support. Next, connect your meeting platforms in your settings. Fathom works with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, so check that your preferred platform is enabled before your next meeting. This is a good time to confirm everything is properly connected so there are no surprises when it's time to join a call. When you enter a scheduled meeting, Fathom should automatically detect it and begin capturing notes, transcripts, and recordings depending on the settings you've chosen. During the meeting itself, you can make the most of Fathom by using highlights. This lets you mark important moments, flag action items, bookmark key decisions, and even create clips to share later. These tools are especially useful if you want to quickly return to the most important parts of the conversation without reviewing the entire meeting. After the meeting ends, Fathom automatically generates your full transcript, a meeting summary, key takeaways, action items, and follow-up notes. In most cases, these appear within just a few minutes, which can save a lot of time compared to writing notes manually. One of the most useful features is Ask Fathom. You can use it to search your meeting content by asking questions like what decisions were made, what deadlines were mentioned, or what concerns came up in the discussion. Fathom then scans the transcript and gives you a direct answer. Finally, you can share your notes or sync them to your CRM, email, team members, or other integrations. This helps reduce manual follow-up and makes it easier to keep everyone aligned after the meeting.